Hey folks, LG for EV Journey back again with another Tesla Model Y Juniper video. This time we'll be installing these 19-inch wheel covers that I got from evbase.com. They're designed to look just like the 20-inch wheels that Tesla sells as an upgrade. Now these are the matte black versions. They do have a silver version and a silver and black version that looks more like the Helix wheels that Tesla actually sells. But I went ahead and I like the matte black look, so I went for that. They also right now come with Tesla center caps, so there'll be a Tesla logo in there. And my Tesla logos are red, so I was going to give it a little bit of a color pop there. If you'd like to purchase these, head on over to evbase.com or any other accessories anyway for a Tesla or even Rivians, Mach-E, F-150 Lightning, all EVs. They've got accessories for them, and right now we've teamed up with them to get you a promo code. That promo code is obviously LG. LG at checkout gets you 20% off your order. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys installed. All right, first step, you're gonna wanna remove these old stock covers. And one of the benefits of these new covers, as you can see right here, this is the wheel exposed. So if you were to hit a curb, as a lot of Tesla owners learn the hard way, if you were to hit a curb here with these stock covers, you're going to damage the wheel. These EV base covers are bigger and they cover up the entire wheel, so that's not going to be a problem. You'll damage the cover before you damage the wheel, so it gives you a little bit more protection, a little bit of peace of mind. Before we install the new wheel covers, let's go ahead and put the foam adhesive strips around the edges of each wheel cover. This will help stop the vibration and any weird noises like the OEM covers make. It's pretty easy to pull these stock covers off. What I do is just lift up on each of these little pedals or propeller blades, if you will, and just kind of pull. So they did include this little pry tool in the box with the wheel covers. I went ahead and put some painter's tape around it, and let's see if it makes it any easier than using my fingers. And that was a little bit easier than my fingers, so just be careful. On the stock covers, they have these little raised plastic bumps. And I noticed that these are actually scratching the wheels underneath it. So hopefully the EV base covers with their adhesive foam strip all the way around will do a lot better of a job protecting the wheels. We're just gonna go ahead and take our wheel and tire cleaner here. Give it a nice rub down because you don't wanna trap any dirt underneath your new wheel covers. All right, let's put these new guys on. There really isn't a wrong way to put these on because you have to get the valve stem to pop through the opening. So you really can't mess them up, and they'll all be aligned perfectly when they snap into place. And of course, we can't forget the final piece, the red Tesla emblem, which will give it a little bit of a color pop. These are also available in white or black, or they have blank ones that come here if you don't want any emblem at all. Just gonna hit it with a touch of alcohol. Wipe it down with the microfiber. And these are just adhesive. They just have adhesive on the back. So one tip is what I'm doing in order to make sure they're all the same on every wheel. I'm lining up the bottom of the T on the logo and I'm pointing it right here to where the valve stem is. And kind of lining it up with that corner there on that angle. And just kind of press it in on the edges. Give it a nice firm push. You don't want to bend it though, so don't push too hard. And then go ahead and pull this guy off. Give it one more clean little rub. And voila. Well, there you have it, the 19-inch wheel covers, the Helix-style wheel covers from evbase.com, installed on my Model Y Juniper in less than 30 minutes. If you want to check out these wheel covers or many of the thousands of accessories that evbase.com sells, right now we've teamed up with them to give you a promo code, 20% off with the promo code LG at checkout. Make sure to enter that. Well, that's it. We're done. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm LG, and this is EV Journey.